friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. If you're new to my channel or you simply want to repeat previous lessons, I'll leave for you link down below with the playlist Beginner Violin Lessons, and you'll find there everything what you're looking for. Today we will learn with you how to play on string D. Because our left hand is very important, we will play pizzicato. Pizzicato is when you're pitching the string. The screen will be organized for you. On your right hand side, it will be notes and the places where you have to put your finger, and on the left hand side, your left hand side, it will be picture with me, so you can watch me and repeat after me. So on your right hand side, it will be a cue for you what notes you have to press and where they are located on the fingerboard. So let's begin. Before start to play, check your left hand. Fingers have to be rounded. You're supposed to have a window between your big finger and your point finger. The palm have to remind us mirror. To be able to make note sound, you have to press on the string with your finger. When you're pressing it, try to hear a sound like a small hammer hitting on your fingerboard. After every exercise, give your hand a rest. First exercise. Don't forget about tone and semitone and how it's affecting the distance between fingers. Also, for note harsh to sound clean and perfect, don't forget to stretch your fourth finger, pinky. First we will say notes out loud and then we are playing. D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D. Great job! Put your left hand down and rest a little bit. Now let's repeat one more time with the metronome and piano. You are doing well. Now let's complicate exercise a little bit. Don't forget, first we name the note and then we are playing. D, E, F, G, A, F, G, E, F, D, E, F, D. Put your left hand down and let her rest a little bit. Now let's repeat one more time with the metronome and piano. Put your left hand down and let her rest a little bit. So if you have any questions, please write me down below in the comments and it will be my pleasure to answer you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell so like this you will get a notification. And in general, you will be able to learn something new and even more. See you next week. Bye!